Hey, what's up guys? How's it hanging? So this morning I'm going to be cleaning my balls over here. I got a bunch of dirty balls from the golf course. I'm going to show you how I do it. I got a new little recipe I'm going to try. But these are all the ones I found. They're just runaway. Yesterday when I was at the golf course, and then I got a bag full of clean. We're going to take this toilet brush that I got from IKEA. We're going to put a hole in the end. I'm going to take a little piece of bit like I've got laying around. I'm going to insert it in the end once I get it hot, and I'm going to be able to put my drill in it so I can spit. I'm just going to get my end of my thing here hot. Sure to breathe in all those fumes. They're really good for your lungs. So get good and hot. Nice and duty. The first one didn't work. I got this cap that fits just perfectly on the end. I'm going to make it work now. Heat it up, that cap. Pop it through there. It's on there just right. Cap can sit right over there. My shed stuff. Oh, that was great. Just tape that down. Tape it on there. Electrical tape. So with the new little handy scrub brush, I want to work with others. This is working pretty good. Can't make a mess at all. Not making a mess. This one scrub is really good. Oh, do a great job. Look at that, they're getting white. Keep going around in a circle. Scrub Mr. Ducky up. Some of these balls were deep underwater for a while. Some of them are really good. Some are suck. Everything good with scrubbing. Yeah, it's still great. Doesn't flatter at all. That broke off. We know that we're good to go, and we're all done. We're just going to want to give these a spot check. Make sure that they're still nice and clean. So we're looking for any dirty ones over here. Check them out here. They're looking pretty clean. That one's got a little dirt on it. I'll give him an extra scrub. You know, I'm just going to make sure everything's nice and clean. Just so you know, I've never used this toilet brush in the toilet. It's just for golf balls, I swear. Even if it did, it's bleached with Clorox bleach, and that kills 99.9% of germs. Clorox bleach is awesome. It whitens, it brightens, it deodorizes. We use this in the bathrooms, countertops, in the toilet. You can use it all over the place. Whitens shirts, sheets, and more. And these new bottles get 33% more. So, yeah, thanks, Clorox. And we're just going to give these a scrub down real quick. Any couple little last-minute dirty ones. Just keep a scrub down. You know, if you need to brush your teeth while you're here, I'm sure the Clorox will probably be okay for that, too. Don't quote me on that. And, yeah, we're just going to give these a few minutes. We're going to let them soak a little bit more, and we'll come back and show you what we got when we're done. Alright, so looks pretty good. Clean these guys up, and got some nice white balls now. Looking good and clean. So, thanks Clorox. Just like that, we got nice, clean, fresh golf balls ready for a good day of golf.